Bikram, I think you are Linux administrator, right? Daita, hi. Abhilash, Bikram, yes. Sorry. Hi, Shyam. Yes. Hmm. Okay. Do you have any questions before starting the content? I think you discussed internally, right? Yesterday, something. I hope many has so many doubts. If you have, we will discuss first. We can start in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, just share with me so that we can discuss. Hi, Shyam and Atik. Very good morning. Hi, Abhishek. Hi, Nagesh. Good morning. Okay. So no questions offline? No questions? No questions. Okay. You don't have any questions, Dinesh? Okay, Anil, good morning. Okay, I have a question then to you guys. Okay. So is there any platform if you do hard work for 2 months, are they ready to give 1 lakh or 2 lakhs per month? If you do hard work for 2 or 3 months, is there any platform to give 1 lakh or 2 lakh per month? Hmm? Is there any platform in India? Government jobs? Huh? We should our time 5% lifetime to that to prepare, right? Is there anything? Don't say betting, please. I know many people are thinking already. IPL, ICL. Hmm. What? What? Smart. One of my offline friends saying smuggling. Just mad guys. Smuggling is not easy task, you know. Guys, one important announcement from Naresh IT admin team. So if you miss yesterday class, just go through the YouTube link. Okay. So from Syam NIT, he is the person to admin from the Naresh IT. Okay. If you have any question, you can directly contact him. You just go through the recording if anyone missed yesterday. Okay. I hope anyone is new today here. Oh, many people, right? Many people, right? Don't worry, we didn't discuss anything. Just how are you only yesterday. Okay. Okay, so I didn't get any answer from you. So there is no any platform. IT platform is there, yeah. Why no one is saying? No one is saying. Always our minds thinking, many things. Smuggling, IPLs, ATM robberies. ATM robberies, yeah. 1 hour is fine, right? Hmm. But after that, you should spend your time in jail. Hmm. One more announcement from admin team. So dear students, please attend regular classes. If anything, please contact Sham. NIT WhatsApp number is it is okay. Just contact him if you miss anything. So meanwhile, I'm just copying this thing. I'll share you that. Okay. So why I'm saying this thing, sir, is it really possible 2 months, 3 months if you do the hard work to get 1 lakh per month? Yes, it's possible, especially in AWS. The reason is the prerequisites yesterday, what I discussed to there is no prior prerequisites for this course, like no coding knowledge is required, no IT background is required, no DevOps background is required, whatnot. You can attend like a fresh mind. We can start from zero to hero here. Okay. I think many people are here zero to hero, but here zero to hero is completely different. You can understand. Okay. Completely different. You can understand. Okay, so yesterday already I told you many things. One more time I'm going to repeat. So in my entire course is related to 70% is a labs, real time, completely real time. What we are doing in the real time, I will completely explain to you. And 30% is the theory part. Okay. So once you are attending my regular class, so once we have so many services in the AWS, we can learn the services. Each service we can discuss the theory part and regular notes and lab. Once service got done, we share the PPT material also separately. Okay. The PPT material contains the architectures and everything. So we can learn here architectures and labs and theory. And once after complete the course, I will share you the complete materials and interview questions, task list. Okay. The task list we discuss every day what we are doing in the regular labs. The entire task I will publish you. You can practice from the scratch one more time. For that, I'm going to give support for 1 month after complete the course. I will just connect everyone one-to-one if required. So where if you anywhere you stuck, just reach me. I will help you to complete the course. Okay. So my previous already batch already done 2.5 months. So okay, the complete syllabus got done. I'm going to explain to tomorrow. I think Friday. I think not tomorrow. So we're going to do the one real-time project. After that, I'm going to just conduct a one mock interview for who are interested. Okay, you just attend if you're okay to it. Saturday. After that, I will give support for 1 month again. Okay, so complete 3 months support. So course content is for 2 months completely. Okay, so sometimes I'm going to conduct Saturday also. It's completely your wish. I'm not forcing anything. Okay. So anything, guys? Anything need to discuss? How many are from non-IT background? Online? Non-IT career gap? No need to raise your hand. I'm keep on checking your messages, guys. Okay. I hope I'm not going to miss any message. Okay, Sai Krishna. Abhilash. Okay. Next. Okay, Haider. Okay, Nagalashmi. Prabhudas. Okay. So, Ziradmin. Okay. Okay, Lila. Lila Narendra. Kerige 4. It's not a big task. Okay. Ganesh. Okay. Okay. So, as I said, yes, please come in. Okay, as I said, so there is no prerequisites for this course. Okay, so any degree is required, any degree. Even final students also eligible for this course, even BTech or degree, MBA, MCA, and career gap. And if you want to switch from other IT to AWS, is the best suitable course for you. If it is already you are work with Node.js, Python, Java, and you are work with network admin. Already you are working as a admin team and whatnot, database team and DevOps team. Guys, one more thing I want to highlight here. Many people are saying, sir, DevOps is required to learn AWS. DevOps is not at all required to learn AWS, but to learn DevOps, AWS is required. This is okay, clear. So if you want to do DevOps, whatever the tools, if you are going to learn, definitely you should have a knowledge on 40% knowledge required for AWS. That's the reason what I'm giving suggestion to you, what I did in my career also. You just learn AWS, at least 15 days you attend the AWS classes, then you start the DevOps. Don't join parallelly AWS and DevOps. Just my suggestion only. I'm not saying to following this same thing. Okay. If you attend parallelly AWS from the first class and from the first class DevOps parallelly, definitely you are in the soup. You are unable to understand what's going on inside. That's the reason I'm saying first attend at least 15 classes. That's the reason I'm giving gap for AWS and DevOps 1 month wantedly. That's the reason I'm going to start DevOps class for next month first week. Okay, else please come in. Clear, guys? And please join in time. Definitely I will start after 3 days at sharp 7:30 a.m. Okay. Okay. And as I said, my consideration is for non-IT background students only. Since if I'm considering non-IT, IT people is easily can understand, right? Okay. Even one person is not understanding, don't hesitate, just update here. I'll check your message. definitely I will repeat. Even if you're not understanding even one class also, I'm going to repeat one class. If you don't have any issue. Timings you can talk to Sham. I think morning 10 to 11. I think I don't know about the Linux class, but you will get a free of cost for Linux entire admin course for Linux. Okay. Okay. Any doubts in general questions now? No doubts. No doubts. Are you sure? Online? No doubts. Shall we move? No doubts, guys. Tell me, guys. No doubts. No, na. Okay. Okay. Just one question to you all. What is server? What is server? Yes, please come in. Okay. One more announcement from Shyam. So regarding Linux class, they're going to update next class. Okay. The next class, the timings and everything. Tell me, guys. What is server? Storing data tool. Okay. Computer. Okay. Next. Next. It's a program or device known as a client store or routes some data, big computer, maintain the data. Dabba, box, so many things we know, right? Guys, please, no, don't raise your hands. I'm checking your messages, okay? Completely, I'm checking your messages. If you have any doubts, so that I can check. Don't worry. Provide informations. What about offline? What is server? Please come in. Hmm? Managed HTTP request response. Okay. Next. 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 Are you able to see my screen, guys? Yes, right. What is this? Servers. See big dabba, right? Okay. Data centers. Okay. Next. Offline. What is server? Which request? Particular. That is client now. Server is going to request or client is going to request? Huh? Response. What is client? What is client? Who has 3 and request? Guys, let's suppose if you go any hotel, what is the process? Excuse me. Okay, very good. It's a hardware and software. Very good. I agree with your answer. If you go any hotel, what is the process? You order something, right? To whom? Waiter or server, right or not? At that time, what you are? Client. So what is the meaning now? Very good. Client is asking. Yeah, please come. Now, client is asking something, right? client. Okay. Tell me the definition now. Which request something. At the time, I'm not going to very technical terms. Client which requests something. You ask some idli. Okay, if the idli is available, they will serve. Otherwise, they will serve something. Okay. So, what is the server now? Tell me the term. What is server now? Client is asking to something to server. Okay, which requests something to server. Now server. What? Receiver. Sunil. Yes. Kitchen. Kitchen. Okay. Which provides services as per the client request. Very good. I'm just copying paste. Okay. Okay. It's not copying. Which request, which serve as per client request. Is it fine? Is it fine? Which serve as per the client request. So now, my question is here very clear. Okay. If this guy is going to ask to this guy some idli, right or not? If idli is not available, what is the process? Okay. So client is asked to server, I need something to you, something from you. He's saying if the whatever order is there, if it is available, immediately is served to client. Clear or not? If not available, they again reach you and say it's not available. Can you order something? Other thing? Yes, you can request. So from understanding from this concept, client is always request to something to server. Server is always response as per the client request. Clear? So now you have a Flipkart. Now Flipkart is client or server? Who are the clients? Users are the clients. We are the clients. We are just opening the Flipkart. Please don't write. I will give you everything. Just concentrate. Okay. We are just opening the Flipkart, setting something. The Flipkart is a server. Whatever request we are asking to Flipkart, they are giving something to us. Right or not? IRCTC. If you are asking something to IRCTC, IRCTC is giving something to us. Did you face any issue like page is not found? What is that issue? Okay, we'll discuss the status and everything. What are the status of page not found, page found, server busy, everything we can discuss in the status. But this is a very high level class. After that, we need to discuss actually what is cloud, what is server, what is on premises, why cloud is more popular. After that, why AWS is more popular. I will discuss everything in the tomorrow. But we just understand few basics, very few basics. How the request will go, how the request will come to from server. Okay. Okay. The request will go from the client to server. So just for example, I'm opening Flipkart. Now leave about kitchen idli sambar. Okay. Now we are on the Flipkart. Okay. I just request to Flipkart. Given your credentials, you are opening the Flipkart. You are just checking all the products. So according to your selection, Flipkart is giving to redirecting you into the actual products, right or not? If you click mobile, definitely Flipkart is redirecting into the mobile, right? Not for clothes, right? So the same thing, if I ask request to Flipkart, definitely you will get Flipkart response only. Why can't you get for Instagram response? Why can't you get from Amazon response? If you open Facebook, definitely you were able to see Facebook page only, not Instagram page. Why? How the request will go on redirecting to the same page? Very good. The particular server will work in the respect to application, but you are searching in your laptop flipkart.com, the request is redirecting to Flipkart server only, right? Not Instagram server, not Amazon server, Flipkart server only. How it will happen? Very good, Bikram. Okay, let people reveal these things. IP address. What is IP? Unique identifier. Unique is a very important point. What is IP? Guys, these will discuss everything. What is IP? This is for very high level. Don't worry. Okay. What is IP? First, you need to understand what is on premises. To understand that concept, just I'm saying what is client and server only. Okay. Later, tomorrow, we can discuss from the scratch the basics and everything. Okay. Don't worry. This is very high level demo only. Okay, we can discuss what is server, what are the components we have, what is the working process of server, how the computer request will go to server, how the server will react, everything we can discuss in the coming classes. But this is very high level to understand you guys, how the request will go and come, and what the backend process will run the on-premises, why cloud is more popular. Before you need to understand, first you need to understand this concept, client and server architecture. Okay, very clear, right? Unique identifier. Unique identifier. Okay. So if I hit my Flipkart page means the backend Flipkart IP will work. Take your request and redirecting to Flipkart IP. Okay. If the request will take you and redirecting to Amazon IP, definitely Amazon page will get, right? For example, you and your friend is there. For example, Diksha and Abdul is there here. Okay. Here Diksha is there. And Abdul is here. Okay. Now Diksha, Abdul want to talk. What is the process? See, both are in the same, not same city. What is the process to talk? Mobile. Mobile. So mobile number is unique identifier or not? Definitely unique identifier. The reason is mobile number is only for one person, only one mobile number, right? Otherwise, if you try to contact Diksha, may the call is redirecting to other Satish or Naresh. The reason the backend, the mobile number is working as a unique identifier. Right or not? Same thing, Aadhaar also. Everyone has a unique Aadhaar number. The reason if you want to contact the respective person, the number will work to identify you who are. Right or not? The same thing here also. Sir, I'm giving Flipkart URL, but my request is getting Amazon response. What it is? It is not at all possible in the real time. The reason is the backend IP is configured to your domain name and your Flipkart server. Right? If you access Flipkart, definitely you will get Flipkart page only. The reason is client is users, request servers are Flipkart. You are asking something, you are getting something. Clear or not? So now you tell me servers. I'm saying servers. Now what is the server? What you are understanding from the server? Server which can store application or not? Server is giving response. Now we again come to the kitchen concept. We are asking idli. They are preparing idli means they are giving idli. If they are not preparing idli, they will give something. The reason is server, they are not maintaining idli, preparation of idli. So you are not getting. The reason if I'm giving Flipkart, definitely server is hosting Flipkart related something is not or not. That is application, right? The server, inside the server, Flipkart application is there, and every server has a unique IP. I'm contacting to server, give you your application, I want to access. This is the process backend, how it will go. But we don't know the process, right? Just we're checking flipkart.com, the page is going and coming. Right? So from this concept, what we can understand, every server has a one application or multiple applications. How the server will give the particular application based on the IP. Clear? Now from this concept, what we can understand, sir, every server has a what? IP first, unique identifier. Okay, every server has a one IP first of all. I'm calling server means backendly I'm calling IP, not server. Server is just name. Server is so all servers are in same. Looking wise, all servers are same, right? How you can identify this server, other server based on that IP, right or not? The each server has a different IPs. I'm calling the server is nothing but I'm calling the IP. Are you really calling IP? No, you are calling name. Flipkart is a name. It's not an IP, right or not? How difficult to call as an IP, everyone? How difficult to call directly IP without name? Let's suppose Flipkart has some IP 192, 168, something IP is there, Flipkart IP. It's a Flipkart, guys. Flipkart IP 192.168.72.112, something IP is there, okay? Guys, tomorrow onwards, I will change the mode. Actually, I'm facing paint issue on this. Unfortunately, it's deleted from my laptop. That's the reason I'm showing you here. Okay. You feel difficult. You feel different tomorrow onwards. Okay. Yes. Flipkart IP is what, guys? Something 192.178.72.12 IPv4 bit. Okay. I'm calling the request from client here to my Flipkart. The request is go to Flipkart IP first. The Flipkart IP is related to server. The server is hosting application now. What application here it's there? Flipkart. Now clear? Inside server, I have a Flipkart application. I'm going to access Flipkart application by through the IP, right? If there is no IP, how you can communicate with your application? If there is no mobile number, how you communicate your friend to you? You just go and physically you can contact only, right? It's very difficult, right? Everyone. So every server has a IP. Every server inside there is an application. Okay. Now Flipkart providers, they develop some application that is a Flipkart and host it into one server, and the server IP is redirecting to flipkart.com, and flipkart.com now is available to public. Clear what I'm saying? This entire job is going to take care by Flipkart providers. Now, like this way. Okay. Now, here, flipkart.com. Okay. Flipkart.com. Clear? The request will go first, flipkart.com. I will discuss what is flipkart.com. The backend DNS will work. We can discuss everything. Just for understanding only, I'm going to give you the very high level. Flipkart.com. So in my laptop, I'm just searching flipkart.com. My request will go to Flipkart IP and server. I'll get back the response from to my client. Now you tell me what is client? Our laptop is client or not? Our laptop is client. I'm just opening here. I'm checking something. The request will go to server. I'm getting response from the server. Means what is going on the backend? Client is my laptop. I'm handling my laptop. I'm asking something to my server. Server is there in the, yes, please come in. Server is the really required to understand where is my server? Where is the Flipkart server? You really bother about that? As a user, you are searching something in the Flipkart. Is that your job to really bother about where is the Flipkart server? No. What you need? You need what you are requesting from the Flipkart server, right? That is the reason. That is the process, right? Then are you going to search where is the Flipkart server? No, it's not our job, right? What we need, just we are going to shopping something in the clothes, the Flipkart. Then where is the server? We don't know. This is not our job, right? To know the status, how the server is working, how the server, where is the server, what is the server security? It's not our job. Who's that job? Providers, Flipkart providers, right or not? We are the accessors. Just access and check, shop the clothes, right? Okay. Now you tell me who is going to take care of Flipkart server? Who is going to take care of Flipkart servers? Yes, Diksha, you are right. Online. Who is? No. We are not in AWS, guys. We are not in AWS. Leave it. Abdul. We are not at all enter into AWS. Flipkart team. Very good, Abhishek. Okay. Flipkart team. The videos got disconnected. No. Check from your end once, Abhilash. Guys, my screen is visible or not? Online team. Yes. Can you please check Abhilash from your end? Okay. Huh. Now you tell me, guys, who is the responsible to maintain this Flipkart server? You, users, clients, then who? Police? Then who? Who is going to take care of the servers? Security na? Flipkart employees, very good. Flipkart company at this time. Okay, Flipkart company. Okay. So the servers are going to take care of Flipkart providers. Okay. It's not bother about clients. Where if the server is up and running, we will get some output from the Flipkart. Otherwise, we'll get a page not found, right? Usually we face this issue from the IRCTC in the previous days. Always page not found. Always page not found. Okay. We can discuss in the future what the reason is. Now, the Flipkart server team is maintained to the Flipkart server. Okay. Now we are very, very clear. Any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? Sir, no, sir, clients are going to take care of the servers. Anyone is saying that? No. No, right? Okay. Now the concept is start from here. Leave about clients now. Okay. Now the concept will start from here. So server maintained by Flipkart team. Guys, you tell me, do you feel to maintain up the server is easy process? No. Let's talk about your laptop. Your laptop work like server or not? Everyone agreed or not? Sir, how can you say laptop working as a server? Anyone? Don't, you can ask any question. Sir, how can you say that your laptop is working like a server? Anyone? Non-IT? Career gap? No? So everyone knows laptop working as servers. How can you say, guys? How can you say? I'm asking to you, no one is asking this question. Now the question to you, how can you say laptop working as a server? How can you say laptop work as a server? Yes, sir, because we have a, now the question to experience, guys. Experience, guys, how can you say laptop work as a server? Oh, we have an application installed in our laptop. So in that case, if application is there, you can call it as a server. In my pen drive also, I'm going to host my load my application. Can I call pen drive as a server? No, right? In your memory card, you can store something or not? You just package your application as a dot file, dot text file. You can now just save into your pen drive. Can I call pen drive as a server? No. No. With internet connection. My TV has an internet connection by default. Can I call my TV as a server? Vikram, question to you now. Of course not. You are saying points. I'm just using these points only. I'm saying that, right? Then how can we say our laptop as a server? What are the components required to work as a server? First, we should understand, right? It has to be storage, processing, and connected to internet. Yes, very good. Now the question to you, our mobile works as a server or not? Laptop time, everyone saying yes, yes. Now why you are thinking our mobile works as a server or not? Are you going to install something into your mobile or not? What you're going to install? Don't say your personal things. What you're going to install? Application. The big PUBG. How it will work, guys, in your laptop? Sorry, in your mobiles. How it will work? It's not our job, sir. I'm a user just installing and doing. Yes, you are right. It's not our job, but now your job. Since you're joining as AWS engineers, since you're trying to start your career, now that job you completely understand the process, how it will work, right or not? Now you tell me how you're going to install your application inside your mobile. We send request to server and get response. Very good, Diksha. Downloading, but we are keep on thinking we just hit the URL, we are downloading and accessing. But now you should think your entire process completely change from today. Whatever you're accessing, how it will work, you can think now. How everything how related to. When I'm saying how, don't think how car will work. how bike will work. It's not our job now. Now you are not a mechanical engineer. You are software engineers. How you are getting amount, how the request will go to internet banking, how the response you are getting, how the money is credited to your accounts. You can think now. Okay, getting or not? You're seeing very seriously. That's what I was. Okay. So to call as a server, first we have a few dependencies, few things is required to work as a server. Technically, I'm calling as a few components. What are those concepts? What are the components? Anyone knows? What are the server components, guys? What are the server components we have? What is server contains? Storage. Everyone knows this storage. Okay, next. This is server. Storage first components. You can't store IP, right? IP will get default. Next. Okay, RAM. Next. Next, guys. You know OS? The main thing is, that is the main thing. Hard disk. Okay, these components we know. Now need to guys just concentrate. There is no rocket science here. Every server, these 4 components is required first of all. The main 3 components is hard disk, OS, storage. Okay, sir, hard disk and storage. Okay, we are calling it separately. May you not confuse. But the main concepts, the main components is, I'm just giving gap here. OS, hardware. Then what about the top one here? Software. What is this in the top layer of the server? Very good. Application. Who will develop this application? Developer. So in this case, we are in the Flipkart, right? Who will develop? Flipkart developers. Flipkart developers develop the application to host on the server. We will get an IP we can access into the customers. There is a difference, right? First we discuss same point. Now we are discussing different way. First time we have discussed application OS hardware. Just we discuss server IP we are going to access. Now we know what is components is there in the server. What are those? Application, operating system, hardware. So now you tell me, your laptop, these 3 components are there or not? Your mobile, the 3 components there or not? Your watch, these 3 components is there or not? There are. Your watch operating system is there. Oh, in my watch not there. It's my bad, yeah. Okay, smart watch. Huh? Yes, very good, very good. Except watch. So you can just come with the point. Watch is work as a server or not tomorrow. This is for your homework. Don't search in Google directly. Watch is supporting server or not. Okay. Now the point is, what is applications? What is application, guys? Sir, application is nothing but application, sir. Application is nothing but application. What is app? App. App is nothing but what? Application. Don't confuse. Don't. We are just calling style app. Okay, app. But application that is. Don't confuse with application is different. App is not different. Both are same. So we are very clear. Applications are developed by developers. If you know the language, you can develop the application. Right or not? We can develop so many applications in my lab. In that case, we are also developers. Okay. Okay. What is operating system? Developers, sorry, experienced people now. What is operating system? Contains kernel. Why you're no making you that typical call kernel something simple? What I'm asking. Very good, Bharat. I need kind of answers. Very good to understand first my my dear non-IT friends, mediator between hardware and software, which manage all apps. Okay. Interface, software and hardware. Very good. Interface. This is a little technical term. Technical term. Interface. Interface between hardware and software. Clear? Experience guys, please don't hesitate. Huh? These are, I know jujibes to you, but we should start from scratch. We don't have any options. Okay. Now question to experience guys. How many languages, with help of how many languages we can implement the applications? How many languages we have? At least what are those languages we can implement the applications? Just brush up your skills here. Nothing wrong. Okay. Java. I'll write here. Huh? What are the languages we have? Non-IT guys, just concentrate. We are using these programming languages to implement the applications. I'll just write down here. Tell me this, guys. Experience, guys. Java. Bava. Oh, Bava is not there. Sorry. Java. .NET. Python. Python. Cobra is there? No. Cobra is there? Huh? Yeah. Cobra is there is a long ways. Cobra. No, right? Python only there, yeah. No Cobra, only Python till now. We'll see. Cobra will come or not in the future. Okay, Python. C minus minus, sorry, C plus plus. Next. Rowdy, sorry, Ruby. Next. Etc. PHP, okay. PHP. Next. PhD. PhD is there? No. Only PHP. After completing your BTech, PhD will come. Okay, guys. These are the languages we are using to implement, write an application. Swift. Okay. I can understand. Yes. This is AWS class. Okay. Just for your information only. You can sit there. Here also, you can sit here. Okay, guys. So what we learned today, at least application contains these many languages. Application, how it will application, we can discuss later. How operating system will work, we know. What is server, we know. What are the component server, we know. How the server will work, we don't know. We can discuss. Okay. Now the question to seniors, means experience guys. What is hardware now? So we are done application and OS, right? Now the question is, what is hardware now? What is hardware? Device. What is hardware? Sorry. Memory. Next. Tell me as a best examples. What are the devices we are calling as a hardware? CPU. Next. Physical device. Okay, very good. Kulkarni. The things we can touch and see. I'm going to touch my mobile. I'm going to touch my water bottle and see also. Okay. Device which is having a built software. Okay. Monitor. So different answers we are getting, even experience guys. What we can understand? SD card. Very good. SD card. SD card is mean nothing but what? Memory card. Storage device. We can call it storage device. Simply I'm calling storage device. Clear? So from that, what we can understand guys, we have a OS, we have a application. Why hardware? What you are going to store as? What? Application related data we store somewhere, right? We need something to store, right? We can see and touch, as someone is saying. That is, in our point of view, hardware. Now, what we can understand from this entire concept, so if you want to host an application, we need a server. Server will working as like a server contains a unique identifier, that is as a IP, and we have a few components in the server, that is application, operating system, hardware. Application can develop by developers, which using these languages, Java, .NET, Python, C++, Ruby, whatever, and to communicate from users to servers. That is IP will work, right or not? Now operating system, where it will work? Operating system, where it will work? What? Simply you're saying hardware and software, right? I need a brief where operating system will work. Server side or computer side? Huh? Experience, guys. Server or computer? Okay, server or computer. Simply, what language computer will support? Telugu? Binary language. What language I am typing here? Is it binary? Is it binary? What language it is? English. But my English is going to where? Visakhapatnam. Huh? Where? Where my no, what? I don't laugh, guys. Just kidding only. Huh? Operating system. My request will go to operating system, collect your request and convert into binary form, and whatever request I'm asking to computer, it will go through operating system and get back me to that response. Clear what I'm saying now? In that case, without operating system, are we able to use computers? No. The reason is we are using different language. Computers are working as a different language. To know to understand the computer language, we are using as a bridge between user and computer, OS as a bridge. Clear, everyone? Sir, how it will work, we can discuss very briefly, step-by-step process from tomorrow onwards. From tomorrow onwards, I'll start from the scratch. What is network? What is IP? What is server? How many components we have? These are very high level. Okay, I'm not going to start very in depth in the starting classes. Just what I'm going to say, very high level we can discuss in the demos. Once 2 or 3 days, we'll enter the slowly. Clear? So you just tell me the guys, what we can learn today. What we learn today? What is client? What is server? What are the components we have in the server? What is unique identifier? That is IP. How OS will, what is OS? What is application? What is hardware? We just understand the concept. Okay. Okay. Sir, why we need to learn these things? We are AWS engineers. We are not a system administrator. Why we need to learn? First, we should understand how server will work, right or not? This is the main heart of the software industry. Without server, where what you can learn, right? If you develop one application, you need a server. Without server, where you are going to host the application? Now, just example, guys. Without mobile, are you going to play PUBG? Why your mobile is required to play? Storage. Are you playing with pen drive to store PUBG? No. Then what are the requirements? Very good. So to play a game, I need these components: operating system, hardware. Then what about application? You should install, right or not now? If you have a OS, if you have a hardware, enough. Application, your wish. If you want to play PUBG, you can install. Otherwise, no. Now you tell me, are you? Yes. Yes, very good. Now, just tell me one thing. You will go somewhere to buy a laptop. Will you get PUBG application? No. They're giving configurations in your laptop. If you want to do it, you can do it by your own self. In that case, application is mandatory or not to work server? No. Application is not a mandatory to work as a server. Application to work application, you need OS and hardware. Getting what I'm saying? No? Sir, PUBG is not there in my laptop. So can I say my laptop is not a server? My laptop is not a server? No. You whatever configurations is there in your laptop, OS and hardware, you must say it is a server. Okay. Your application should support or not. You should understand first. Yes, it support, then you can call as a server. In that case, that's the reason you are using mobile as a server. You are playing something. Clear, guys? Any doubts? Anyone? Any doubts? Anyone? From offline, online? I'm not seeing any messages from the online team. Do you feel bored? Sir, what is this? I joined AWS course. You are saying ABCDs. I will come to you that point also. I will talk more advanced things here. I will talk ABCDs also. I will see where you are when I'm talking about more advanced skills. I will talk about Python. I will talk about database. I will talk about .NET. I will talk about DevOps. I will talk about whatnot, everything. But just brush up your skills. I'll just sharing my experience with you guys. Simply my manager asked this question to one experienced guy. What is client? You know the answer, what he is saying? Huh? You know the silly answers from 7 years experience guy? Simply my manager, he don't know technical knowledge. That's the reason he's asking like kind of questions first. What is client? What is server? How compatible? Like kind of questions he will ask maybe. So that's the reason maybe he asked what is client. He's saying who give the project to us. See, kind of answers we are getting. So don't take it as a normal things. Everything is important. If you go and ask how OS will work, 70 people may say wrong answer. Even 8 years 9 years experience guys also. You can go and check. Without Google, just ask clearly. Can you talk about how OS will work for 2 minutes, 3 minutes? No. Completely no. No one will talk about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Even you can ask what is server, they can just say only one word answer. Server which responds your request. Yes, that is correct. But you should talk about 2 minutes. What you will talk? Yes, you have 8 years experience, right? You should talk 2 minutes. Right or not? You're doing some job. If ask somebody to, can you explain 2 minutes of your roles and response? Definitely you will talk 30 minutes. Once I'm asking one concept, definitely you may stuck there. The beauty of the basics is very important. Don't neglect. Okay. Everyone can say how IP will work. One more thing. Everyone can say, what is internet? What is internet, guys? What is internet? I'm going to discuss everything from the scratch. As I said, I will discuss about what is internet, how it will work, everything we can discuss. That's the reason my entire course, it will take 2 or 2.5 months. If people are, no sir, it will complete in 1.5 months, please leave me. You can drop. I don't have any issue. Even 10 people, 20 people also, I'm fine. I started my career even 5 persons only as a trainer. I don't bother about even number. Okay. My classing style is like that only. Even my start, you can check with my previous batches. My entire class is like a spoon feeding. Even starting class and ending class also. Many people may think, sir is on your demo classes. Maybe the reason they are saying like that. No, you can check. You can check. Even ending class, one class is left. The before ending class, one student raised hand, sir, I'm not understanding today class. I connected with him for 2 hours separately. Same thing. I'm also saying to you, if you feel like that, you can connect me one to one also. I will help you. Everyone is important here. I'm not working for 95%. I will work for 100%. Even 1% is lag. I will work with you. I will sit with you. This is very clear. You can record my words. Okay. Even first class, last class, like a spoon feeding. Okay. Definitely experience, guys. You feel enjoy where you maybe somewhere you lag, right? In the, like, AWS side, network side, definitely you feel enjoy. Believe my words. Tell me, what is internet? If you ask as an experienced guy, what is internet? What you can say? What is internet? Experience, guys, what is internet? I supposed to get at least 20 messages, 20 messages. Network of servers, network of networks, which connects more than one device. Now, question to Ganesh: without internet, can't we connect to connect? Can't we connect for more devices without internet? No one is using wireless. That is the important thing. We can connect two devices without wireless, right or not? With wire, internet is required. To talk two devices, internet is required. Required. So these are the different, guys. Basics are very, very important. Okay. Yes. Any questions? Now, why cloud is more popular? Why we are learning cloud? I'm coming to that point. I'm going to close in 5 minutes. Sir, okay, everything we learn. Sir, now you are saying who is going to maintain this server, guys? Flipkart. I give an example as a Flipkart.com. Definitely Flipkart providers. And you agreed it's not a easy task to maintain server. Without cooling system in your laptop, will it work? Are you go and put into your fridge, your laptop? And then how it will work? Huh? One ceiling fan is there? Not there yet. Where? Come on. Okay, Dinesh, leave it here. That is done internet. That is very good. Dinesh, I understand your answer. I'm coming to that. Wait, I'm coming to that. How your laptop will work? We are giving so much of work to your CPU. Hardware. Those are running, right? How can I provide cooling system to your laptop? Laptop. Is there any fan or not? Why you are seeing my face there? There is a fan. Zing, zing sound is coming. If you go and put in your bed, your laptop is getting more heat. What is the reason? If you go and put this laptop on your bed, your laptop is going to more heat, dissipating more heat. What is the reason that? What? Very good. No load. Only bed. If you put on bed, only load will come, na? Hey, don't hear. Heat dissipates. The reason is that the inside there is a holes are there.